in one neat package that requires no configuration. Anyone can now operate. Now before we proceed, I need to make something clear. I'm here to provide you with a unique money-making product for free. If you feel like passing up on your next shot at financial freedom, no problem. I'm here to help you out and make money. This is a unique opportunity that will rarely cross your path, if ever. So if you don't want to be better off, it's okay. Someone else will take your spot in the next hour. But if you've got what it takes, you're still here. I'm going to help you make some serious cash. Listen closely, because this will determine your future. Everything you need to do will be done from within the income system software. Here's how you will log in. This is my actual account. As you can see, in just 7 months, I've made over $535,689.92. This, my friend, is what profit looks like. In the movie The Color of Money, Paul Newman says, money won is twice as sweet as money earned. Well then, what's money won without risking? 4 times as sweet, I guess. And I obviously withdrew some money to pad my bank account, in which I have just over $272,000. I made the switch from rags to riches. I literally quit my old life and started living my current one. I wanted to break free of the mold I was in. I worked 6 days a week and busted my ass to improve my life. I barely earned enough to put something aside and burn most of it every few months, as I had to go on a short vacation or else I'd fall apart. Years went by and I was stuck in the same place. But after a few months of consistent profits, I put the down payment on my new apartment and renovated it with everything I wanted to have in my own crib. I bought a new car to match my new life. I've been fantasizing over this car for quite some time. A brand new Audi. In my garage. Do you know what an Audi R8 feels like? Do you know it's built on a Lamborghini Gallardo platform? I'm no longer tied down to